Today's game brings the excitement of Hot Wheels cars and launching them off the track with a fun little bonus. We're going to learn about the physics of motion. So we're going to try and launch our Hot Wheels cars off and find the right balance between speed, distance, and height to try and use these two pipe cleaners that we've just formed into circles and try and catch a Hot Wheels car mid-air. And it'll be a fun little experiment to see where the cars need to go and all of the speed. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
Awesome. On your mark. Get set. Go! Woo.
That's so
You got it
close.
through it, but didn't get it to stop. You can try it. Ah! So I gotta figure out just the right distance. I think forward a little bit more. Okay. Oh, through them.
Wait, I need to go first.
Oh, I almost had it on there.
I'm gonna go back.
Oh, ooh, that's a good speed, and then I can just catch him right here. You may be onto something right there. Whoop. Ah!
That's so close.
That was so I need to go a little farther out.
So
Whoa!
close. You just need to put your sting circle.
What if I put it on this, and that way it has some balance on two sides? Oh, that was so close. So that's
the wing.
yeah. So it's got to have extra support on both sides. Ooh, we're getting closer. That was so close, almost. Okay, we're gonna get it soon. I can feel it. Oh, caught one of the wheels.
Oh,
We are so
you need to
close.
put that up further.
Put it out a little farther. We did it! Woo! High five!
Yay!
So that is a fun way to combine Hot Wheels play with some understanding, some physics of motion and all of those things. So both educational and fun at the same time. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.